for flange repair. I have an older in-ground swimming pool which was built in the 70s or 80s. The coping around the perimeter seems to be one piece with the walls, and on top of the coping are flanges for holding the ladders. I'm not sure if it's the right terminology, but hopefully you get the gist. Anyway, the flange is rusting out. I'm wondering if you have suggestions as how to repair or do something different.
So the way that you're describing that is that the flange is on top of the patio. Normally, that description would be that there's a cup that's inside the patio, and it sounds to me like this is probably a composite wall vinyl liner pool or a painted concrete floor composite wall pool or something of the past where the coping and all that would have been built right into the wall of the pool itself. If it's in fact some type of a top mount system, you could replace those, whatever those metal that's rusting out are, with, they make plastic cups now. They also make aluminum painted cups that could be mounted to the deck itself. If we're talking about cups that are down into the concrete and the railing and the ladder goes directly down in, all the way down into the concrete itself, likely those could be broken out and replaced. I mean, I don't know that there's a simple way of doing it, but there certainly is a way of doing it. So I would, to give you the best answer, I would need clarification or pictures of what exactly it is we're talking about replacing.